everybody. We're going to have some examples of finding measures of individual arcs. For numbers 1 through 6, it says each regular polygon is inscribed in a circle. That right away, the regular tells you that each side of the polygon is the same. Determine the measure of each arc that corresponds to a side of the polygon. Okay, well, in a circle, we know that all the arcs will add up to 360 degrees. I'm going to divide that by 6, and that simply equals 60. Okay, so the measure of each arc is 60 degrees. For a pentagon, once again, we're just taking 360, dividing it by 5, and come up with 72 degrees. Triangle, 360 degrees for the whole circle, divided by 3, comes up to 120 degrees. The square, it's a four-sided figure, 360 divided by 4, each arc would give us 90 degrees. Octagon, we divide by 8, 360 divided by 8 gives us 45 degrees. A 36gon, a 36-sided figure, if we were to inscribe that in a circle, it'd have to add up to 360, so we divide by the number of sides. 10 degrees. Each arc would only be 10 degrees. 7, 8, 9, and 10, we're doing a few other things. Determine the measure of each arc of the circle circumscribed about the polygon. Okay, so each arc, we have a 4x, we have a 2x, and this is a rectangle, so this side is 4x, this side is 2x. They all have to add up to 360. So I got two 4x's, I have two 2x's, and I know that's going to add up to 360. So now just solving this equation here, 8x plus 4x equals 360. 12x equals 360. Divide by 12, x is 30. Now, that's not all. We need to not just solve for x, we need to find the measure of arc UT. Let's get that drawn here. Here's UT. I need to know the measure of RS. I need to know the measure of UR. And I need to know the measure of ST. Okay, now I know that x is 30, so it's just a matter of plugging in 30 for x in each of the terms. For UT, 4 times 30, that's 120. For RS, 2 times 30 is 60. Oh, RS is down here, so again it's the same thing as up above, 120. UR is 2x, simply 60. And ST, 2 times 30, 60 again. You can always double check by saying, yes, all four of these add up to 360. Number 8, we have two 7x's here. We know this by the triangle inscribed. Each side is the same. So 7x plus 7x plus 4x adds up to 360. Alright, 7 plus 7 plus 4 is 18. 18x equals 360. And dividing by each side by 18, x is 20. Now, we know the measure of arc UT will be the same as the measure of arc UV, because they both are 7x. 7x times 7x, put a 20 in for x, we're going to get 140. And then we still need to find the measure of arc TV. 4 times 20 is 80. Alright, then our last one, we have quite a few arcs to find here. We have the measure of arc RS. We need to find the measure of arc ST, measure of arc TU, and the measure of arc RVU. Okay, so what we have here is half of a regular hexagon. So if we extend this to the other side, we will have 6x equals 360. Divide by 6, x is 60. Alright, so each side is 60. All these are. Since RVU is the entire half of the circle, we know that's 180. And there we go.